Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your plants instantly grow in Grey Garden. So this has worked for me one time. I'm not sure if it's going to work again, but you're going to get out a seed that you want like immediately to be grown. For instance, the flare mango maybe. What is it, mango flare? How come I forgot already what it is? What it was. Oh, melon, sorry. Flare melon. There we go. And you are going to press, okay, you'll need 2 slots for this, and you'll need to immediately like put down the plant once it's like the cutscene. So select load, and then is it going to do it? Sometimes it doesn't do it for some reasons. Okay, like now, put it now. Ta-da! I can't believe that worked. Okay, but like, you know, it only works in the like cutscene, and obviously the plants aren't going to grow as like big as this, but as you can see, it grew instantly, you know? Like that's cool. And I found that out like yesterday cuz it was still loading and I just put like the glow pot down and immediately it grew. So that's how you can instantly grow your plants in Grow Garden. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.